Welcome to Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about praying for each other. When is the last time that you prayed with someone? I know. We are starting today's Devo off with a bit of a pointed and direct question, but take a moment and think about it. When is the last time that you prayed with someone else? Well, check out today's verse. It's in James 5, starting in verse 16. It says this. It says, "Therefore, confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. The prayer of a righteous man is powerful and effective." I'd like to invite you to take action around today's verse. Initiate the invitation to pray for someone. Let me say that again. Initiate the invitation to pray for someone. Remember, prayer is simply talking with God. And isn't it incredible that God himself created this way for us to talk to him? Isn't it incredible that God listens to you and to me? So who can you initiate the invitation to pray with today? Spouses, ask to pray out loud together with your spouse, even if you've never done it before. Kids, do this. Those of you that are listening, ask your parents or your siblings if you can pray together for something that's on your heart or on your mind. Friends, end your time together talking on the phone or as you're texting or as you're meeting in person. End your time together and invite them to pray with you. All of us, let's try adding at the end of our conversation today, whether it's with our neighbor, our coworker, or just somebody we're talking to out and about, let's ask if we can pray. You and I believe that God is a good father who listens to us when we speak. So let's practice praying with and for other people. Let's take that slightly vulnerable step to pray out loud with each other. And what can prayer look like? Well, prayer can look like saying things like, "Hey God, we just want to take a moment to remember that you're real and good and with us." Prayer might look like voicing your concerns to God. After you've talked with somebody, just voice your concerns to God. Or prayer might look like putting words to what you're thankful for. Just spend a few minutes and say, "Hey, let's just tell God like the simple things we're thankful for today." Or maybe prayer can look like opening up the book of Psalms and starting to pray a few of those phrases together. Let's initiate the invitation to pray together today. You can do this.